welcome back to the brand new show of Henry Haven Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will tell you about the courses that we offer for you. So in frame we have Tanu going to tell about the Japanese language course. So hi Tanu, how are you?
Hello everyone, this is Tanu.
And how are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. So coming directly to the point Tanu, what exactly is Japanese language course?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell you Japanese is a cognitive language course. When it comes to the cognitive part, like you mold your cognitive skills of your mind, it is a very beautiful language. Okay. Secondly, in the current scenario, if we talk about Japanese is one of the most booming language in Asian countries.
Okay. So what are the eligibility or what stream students can opt for this or enroll for this course?
Okay. It is not something which is very specific in nature. It is like many multinational employees who are working in multinational companies. They are just coming to learn specific levels just to upgrade their profile when it comes to a study scenario. Then many of the students who wants to go for their higher studies in Japan, they are even coming to learn the language. And in the current scenario, we have the lot of things which are like interpreter. When it comes to the profile of working in the Japanese language, we have the interpreter, translator and the trainer who are going to implement this language to work as a profession.
Okay, so there are a lot of opportunities or job profiles I can say, and a lot of students come to Henry Haven and like enroll for this Japanese language course. So that they can go to abroad also for study?
Yeah, abroad for the studies, and also just I have told you to upgrade their profile, because to which specific domain they are working at present, they want more high salary packages. Just to upgrade their profile, they are just coming to a specific level, because there are 5 levels in the Japanese language course, which starts from descending order, which is like N5, N4, N3 and N2 and N1. Okay. So N3 is just called the bridging level, which is like where you become the independent speaker of the Japanese language.
Okay, so like there are many opportunities and a lot of positive things.
Yeah.
So why according to you a student should come to, or any person should come to Henry Haven and enroll for any course from Henry Haven?
Okay. So I would say why Henry Haven, then there is a big I should say USP of Henry Haven, which is like gold membership, because you know you are learning a language, you are not learning a math formula.
True.
Which will come to you at once go. So when it comes to the language part, you become fluent and proficient speaker by regularly practicing it and doing more conversation with some other person. So the gold membership is like what? It provides you the flexibility to go for the live training n number of times, so that you can become a proficient and fluent speaker of the language course. And you know, many of the freshers who come to learn the language course, so the 9-in-1 program provides you this flexibility for the internship part, for the live projects with the multinational companies, as well as the placement drives which we conduct, to which they can be the part and they can be earning professional to this language course.
Okay, that's so great credibility. Like I can feel credibility in the course of Henry Haven. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you so much Tanu for coming, for joining us and telling us what exactly Japanese language course is. And I hope you guys are enjoying it. But don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Haven. Thank you.